and today we will be learning about a new topic called Paana. Okay, and my goal is that you'll be able to learn a new Hindi verb, which is when it is used as an auxiliary verb, what impact it make on the sentences. Okay, right now the subject is still the same. It's the feminine singular, just the tense is changing. Now she will be unable to work. So this is something you, let's say you are in an office situation, and you would want to tell your manager or whoever that, or colleagues also, right? I mean, that because of the sickness, I will not be able to do something. It's beyond my control. Okay. I will not be able to attend your wedding. It's nothing to do with me. It's beyond my control, like whatever the scheduling would be. मैं नहीं आ पाऊंगा और मैं attend नहीं कर पाऊंगा. Right? This is a very good one sentence because we come across it all the time, where we have to tell someone that I will not be able to do something. So just remember this one, right? Right. So I'm gonna again ask you guys to take a moment, think about it. Same sentence, बीमारी के कारण she will be unable to work. वह काम नहीं कर पाएगी. She will be unable to sleep. Beautiful. सो नहीं पाएगी. Yeah, wonderful. खाना नहीं बना पाएगी. Okay, wonderful. I will finish this one. She will be unable to play. वो खेल नहीं पाएगी. Okay, wonderful.